Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest query email. To know how to fix or to solve Pinterest query email, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then we can go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest. When you find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for